You see, in this world, such a cruel place, many persons depend on something to keep them going, whether it be money, pets, nature, family, entertainment. Maybe that's why you're here watching this right now. You should subscribe and share. I've seen iamjsatv TV. I ask that you watch this with an open mind. BBC. Bigger, better confidence. Fight. Fight for your life to be your life. Aim for your dreams to become a reality. Yes, those things at the start keep me going, but I left out one. This.